Hello learners, today I'm going to explain how to write inner join with the SQL query. So in the previous video I have explained the inner join, left join, right join and the full join. So if you have any issues with that, you can watch that video. So again I will explain what are the join types available with the SQL. Basically we have three four different SQL joins, basically inner join, left join, right join and the full join. Basically the join statement is used to combine data or rows from two or more tables based on the common fall between them, and those are the join types available in the SQL. So now today I'm going to explain how to write the inner join with the example. So as I explained earlier, this is the example for the inner join. Basically the inner join keyword selects all rows from both the tables as long as the condition satisfies. This keyword will create the result set by combining all rows from both the tables where the condition satisfies. So very simple. You can see there is a table called table 1 and there's another table called table 2. So the intercept area has highlighted in the green color. So according to that diagram, that intercept records will uh, retrieve when we are executing the inner join. So this is the example. So and also I have included the simple syntax, inner join syntax, and very simple. You can see select, you can include the column names, then inside the after the from you can mention the table 1, and after that inner join it is a keyword, and you can mention the table 2, and after the on keyword we have to give the joining conditions in both tables. The table 1 column name equal to table 2 column name. So likewise you can implement the inner join with the SQL. So now we will see how to how to write a SQL join query. So for that I have created the sample table. Basically I have three tables. One is select all from my database name is SQL, um, object name is dbo, um, then sorry then I have three tables. First table is customers. So so there are some few records with the null value. So anyway, this is the first table. So the second table is the orders table. So same orders table. You can see in the order table also we have few records. Likewise we have a supplier table in my sample database. Sorry, it's shipper table, okay, not supplier. So sorry for that. Okay, now when I'm executing all the queries, you can see so shippers. You can see all the tables have few records. So now we will see how to write inner joins with the uh, SQL query. So for that what we can do is simply as an example, initially I have taken select all orders with customer information. So that is very simple. For that you have to get the all order details. For that you have to first use the order table. So I'm using select keep as blank for the time being. Then I have mentioned the from orders table, and I'm going to take orders columns. Okay, so then we can put orders dot, the first column is order ID. If you want, you can include other columns of the order table. Orders table dot, you can see order date. In addition to that, you have to include some customer information. For that, you have to join with the customer table. So then you have to include that inner join, table name is customers. Then we have to mention the joining condition. After the on keyword, we have to mention the joining joining columns. The order table's customer ID should be matched with the customers table customer ID. Hope this query is correct. Yeah, try to execute. Yes, it's missing. Now you can see we have written the inner join, and we have taken the order table order ID and the order table order date. In addition to that, now we have joined the customer table, so we can take the customers informations for the selects. So table name is customers dot, let's say customer name. That informations we can take with this query. You can see I have taken the order ID, order date, and the customer name. So this is a simple example for the inner join, and after that we will see how to write inner joins for the multiple tables, like more than 2 tables. The example is select all from rows. Select all rows from both tables as long as there is a matching between the columns. If there are records in the orders table that do not have match in the customers, then order will not be shown. That is very important. Now we will see how to select all orders with customers and shipper information. Simply, that is the example we are going to do as a second example. In the earlier example, we have joined only the customers and the order table. Now we are going to join another table for the same query. So if you want, simply you can copy this select query, then after that you can append other join. So for that, simply, now already we have joined the order and the customer table. Now we are going to join the shipper table using the inner join. So inner join, my table name is third table name is shipper. Okay, the on orders dot shipper ID column is there in the order table, as well as in the shipper table contains the shipper ID. So now we have joined 3 tables in the same singlet query. Now try to execute. Hope there will not be any issue with that. Object here, shippers, there should be this. Okay, so you can execute and get the output, and also still we haven't included the shipper informations for the select. So simply you can shippers dot, let's say shipper name. Okay, now when I'm executing this one, you can see order ID, order date, customer name, and the shipper name also retrieved from the SQL table. So now in addition to that, I have to mention one thing. So for these select queries, I have used the I haven't used any aliases. So if you want, you can write these join SQL queries using aliases. So if you have any issues with the aliases, I have done the another video already. I have published another video for the SQL aliases, so you can watch that video and get some idea about that. So I think you will have a proper understanding about the SQL inner join. So if you have any questions, you can put on the comment sections. And yeah, so anyway, thank you.